What if you could ask a supercomputer to solve one of the oldest debates in truck history? Which Ford F-150 engine is actually the most reliable? The turbocharged EcoBoost, the classic rumbling V8, or the new high-tech PowerBoost Hybrid? Well, we did exactly that. Welcome to Gearboxed, where we don't just give you our opinion, we give you data-driven answers. The Ford F-150 isn't just a truck, it's an American institution. But when you go to buy one, you're faced with a critical choice. What's under the hood? Everyone has an opinion, but opinions are often based on anecdotes, not evidence. So we decided to cut through the noise. We fed an artificial intelligence 5 years of real-world data from thousands of American F-150 owners to find a definitive answer. This isn't a review, it's a report. Here's how we built our digital mechanic. We gathered a massive dataset, including over 60,000 owner complaints, repair records from thousands of dealerships, and millions of forum discussions. Our AI didn't just read this data, it understood it. Using natural language processing, it identified patterns and quantified problems that are often just described as feels sluggish or makes a weird noise. Let's see what it found. First up, the fan favorite, the 3.5L EcoBoost. The AI's analysis was clear. This is a powerhouse, but with a known Achilles heel. The data showed a significant pattern of issues with the twin turbochargers, particularly in models from 2017 to 2020. The phrase "turbos failing" appeared over 3 times more frequently for the EcoBoost than in V8 discussions. However, post-2021, the data shows a marked improvement, suggesting Ford addressed some of these concerns. Next, the legendary 5.0L Coyote V8. The data for the V8 told a story of brute force simplicity.it was the clear winner in one key area: long-term powertrain durability. The AI found far fewer reports of major internal engine failures compared to the forced induction EcoBoost. Its most common issues were minor in comparison, like occasional oil consumption in certain model years. The V8 foot profile is one of predictable, traditional reliability. Finally, the newcomer, the 3.5L PowerBoost Hybrid. This was the biggest surprise. For a new, complex powertrain, the AI found its reliability data to be remarkably strong. The hybrid system itself, the electric motor and battery, showed very few problems. However, the AI flagged a higher-than-average number of software-related complaints and issues with the more complex 12-volt electrical system that supports the hybrid tech. The hardware is robust, but the software is still maturing. So, after analyzing 5 years of data, what is the final verdict? If your top priority is maximum long-term powertrain durability with minimal complex system risk, the data points to the 5.0L V8 as the most reliable choice. If you want modern power and torque and are buying a newer model, the 3.5L EcoBoost has proven to become much more dependable. And if fuel economy is your king, the PowerBoost Hybrid's mechanical components have been reliable, but be prepared for potential early adopter software gremlins. The best engine depends on your priorities, but now, for the first time, you have data to back up your choice. This was Gearboxed. We used AI to find the truth so you can drive with confidence.